Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will show you how to make the Siri shortcut called What's Today Like. Here's how it goes. You tap on the shortcut.
The 17th of October 2020 at 5:29 p.m. Weather, 16 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Today's calendar events, lunch with mum at 12 p.m. tea with dad at 4 p.m.
And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and turn on all the notifications so that you can get notifications on future videos on this channel. So let's get started. Firstly, you want to go into the Shortcuts app by Apple. It's a free app on the iOS App Store, but if you're on iOS 13 and 14, then it should be already on your device. So once you're in the Shortcuts app, tap the plus button at the top right corner. Now you want to tap the Add Action button, Add Action, and search Find Calendar Events. You want to tap on it. And now it says Start Day is in the next 7 days. You want to tap on Is in the next 7 days. Whoops. Is in the next, and change it to Is Today. Now you want to get a Set Variable action. Tap on it. Set variable to calendar events. Now get the current weather by searching Get Current Weather. And now set a variable to that. Call it weather. Now you want to get a set variable action again. And it says here, set variable name to weather. You want to change to weather, tap on the weather thing and tap clear. To input, it says now. So now tap on input and tap current date. And you want to call this variable date. So now you want to push it all together by using a text action right here. And now you want to put them all in together. I'm going to go with some borders. You can do whatever you want as long as you put all the variables that you just made into the text action. Oops. And today's calendar events. And yep. So now you want to get a show alert action. Show alert. Tap on the action and tap show more. And this says title. You want to change the title to today. And turn off show cancel button. And now you see this do you want to continue? Change that to the text. Now tap next at the top right corner and call it whatever you want to call it. What is today like? Done. And now let's run it. Cool, right? If you want a little extension, this is optional. You can follow along with me. So get another action and search speak. Get the speak action and put it right under the text action. Tap show more. And this is very important. You have to turn off wait until finished. If not, this won't work. And if you want it to sound like Siri, you can keep the rate and pitch the same. You can change the voice to Siri male or Siri female, whatever you want. Now tap show less. Let's run it.
The 17th of October 2020 at 5:29 p.m. Weather, 16 degrees Celsius and mostly cloudy. Today's calendar events, lunch with mum at 12 p.m. tea with dad at 4 p.m.
Cool, right? This is a really fun way, or really easy way, to wake up in the morning, run a shortcut, and you know what your day looks like. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to check out my other videos. See you then. Bye.